Lunch atop a skyscraper is an iconic photograph that has forever entered the history of the 20th century. The image is also known as New York construction workers lunching on a crossbeam. 11 men sit on a narrow steel beam, legs dangling over the void. Below them, 69 stories of an unfinished skyscraper. The photo first appeared in the New York Herald Tribune in October 1932. It instantly became a symbol of the industrial era. Fearless workers, suspended above time itself, continuing to build America. The shot was taken atop the RCA building, now known as Rockefeller Center. It is believed that the photographer was Charles Ebbets, a well-known reporter and adventurer who captured races, aviation stunts, and rooftop scenes. During the shoot, he stood on the same beams as the workers, just as high, just as exposed. Lesser-known photos from the same session show workers napping on the beam, playing cards, or smoking. These men were not actors. They were real construction workers taking a short break during their shift. But this photograph is just one glimpse of a monumental project. The construction of Rockefeller Center in the early 1930s became the largest private building project of its time. During the Great Depression, when millions of Americans were out of work, the complex gave jobs to around 250,000 people. The building rose to 70 stories, and even today it remains one of the tallest in New York. Workers labored hundreds of meters above the ground, often without any safety equipment. Among the brave were many immigrants from Ireland and Italy, as well as members of the Mohawk Nation, who were considered especially skilled at working at great heights. Despite fear, fatigue, and danger, these people lifted steel and concrete into the sky, floor by floor. These photos are more than just striking images. They are a visual chronicle of courage, height, and ironclad optimism.